We are planning a revision of hair transplant today. Patient has gone through hair transplant. कितने साल पहले हुआ था ये?
4 years back.
4 साल पहले ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ है. So we will increase the density today because density has reduced. So in this area we will increase the density first. Then we will approach to back side and we'll try to cover as much as area today with the help of FUE and FUT.